Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you what you have to do to speed up video using using custom curve. Okay, so it's pretty awesome and it's very helpful. This speed up method, instead of using the default one, I'm gonna show you different ways. So make sure you subscribe for more Capcut tutorials, and let's jump right into the video. So if you go select your video here, when you have this screen that is like highlighting this video, that means that you selected this video. And then let's go to speed, and here you have customized. You have other ways to add some curves to your video, but make sure you click on customized. This is where you have all the control, and here you have some control here. If you move this cursor, let's now exactly here, we can click on this, we can click this plus, and we have a curve here. Now we can move this. This is slow, this is very fast, bit slow now. Okay, so we have now slow, then we can grab this other curve and move it up all the way up to 10x. So now it's slow and then very fast. Okay, it worked. As you can see now it's very fast. But now obviously you can make this longer, and you can remove this this kind of like, I don't know if they're called keyframes, but this dots that's pointing where the speed or the slowdown will start, or from where your curve will start, or from where you will add a curve. So it's just like, yeah, redo. Okay, that's not what we want. Click on here and then click on this. Now we have slow and then very fast. Okay, so as you can see, it worked. And yeah, that's very powerful when you're trying to create, to zoom to a specific location. Now when you add this speed, when you add this zoom, it's kind of like interesting, at least for me, is that you can go to video, and then here we can click on this, so we can add a keyframing for rotate, position, and scale. And then if you add here a keyframe, maybe around here, actually no, we already have this keyframe, maybe here, and now we zoom a lot, maybe to this window here. And now we have this slow and then zoom, but it's also like the video is sped up, but also the zoom. We also have zoom and we also have speed up. So I hope this is pretty cool, interesting ways, because it's all about the way you combine all the features you have available in Capcut PC, and the way you combine all the features to create something unique and interesting. And that's where I like to experiment, to try, and to combine, so I can show you in my YouTube channel. And so make sure you subscribe for more tutorials related to different softwares, and also related to Capcut. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and also if you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comment section.